Guys, my name is Ava and I'm a new YouTuber and I'm currently in the barn and I'm just so excited to share my life with you guys. So, here is our chicken coop. There are chickens everywhere in here. We have 19 chickens. We did have 20, but we lost one. We don't know what happened to it because we live on a busy road, open fields, and yeah, they're just everywhere. And we have some eggs in there. Lots and lots of eggs. They're messing with the lighting in here, so it's hard to see. Okay, so we will come back to them. For now, we will go out and see the horses. Okay, well, you can't see them. Oh, here comes Sassy. Sassy is my horse. We do barrel racing together in Western Pleasure. She is a really nice mare. She loves attention, and currently right now she wants her food. He's like, do you have any treats? Hi, Sassy. Hi, baby. She is so strange. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so we got the horses fed. Here's Sassy peacefully grazing her hay while the chickens are over there trying to eat the hay too. And then Charlie's just peacefully eating over here. Charlie is my mom's horse. She mainly just uses him for trail riding and stuff. He's really big. A lot taller than Sassy, because Sassy's just like pony size. But she is really pretty to me. Hey, girl. Okay, guys, I got an egg carton. I already took some eggs out. Usually we have some small eggs, so I'll make sure to show you some of them compared to the bigger ones. But sometimes we can have pretty normal sized eggs. So all the chickens are resting. We have a chicken that we call Mangled Face. Don't think you can see her, but she's sitting right over here. And she technically only has like half of her face. Because, we don't really know what happened. We think it was my mom's horse because he's not so friendly to smaller animals than him. But who knows? It could have been anything. So, yeah. And for some reason, they peck at the foam up there. We don't really know why they do that. We tried getting them to stop, but it won't work. Chicken up close. Chicky. They're flying around everywhere. Okay, so I got most of the eggs in. We have some more buckets up there, and there is currently a chicken trying to fly. Oh, she's getting all the way up there. Chicky. Oh, there we go. She's all the way up. Okay, so I did not find any small ones except for that one, but it was almost the same size as the other ones. So yeah. I don't know if there's any up there. Can you see any? I think there's one right there. Okay, so I got up there, I found 2 more eggs, and I almost fell. The chicken scared me, and I like leaned back, and it scared me because I almost fell. But yeah, and I think that's about it. I just gotta make sure all the chickens are in. I don't see any more anywhere. I'm pretty sure they're all in. So yeah. And we have like an old-fashioned barn, kind of. Like, our house was built in like 100 years ago. So it's really old, and we have a really old barn too. So I'm thinking the barn was built about the same time the house was, but who knows. Okay, well, we'll see the horses again. Say goodnight to them, and yeah. So we have like a stairway all the way upstairs. I hate going up there at night because it's really creepy. But yeah. So here is Sassy. And I think that will be it for our video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This is my first video. And I really hope you just enjoyed it, because I don't know, but bye.